Burpin. She's burping. What the heck? Where did you learn to do that? Here comes the future leader of North Korea. Where was her outfit, buddy? You want to go put your cool outfit on? We're taking a video. You look like Kim Jong-un in your outfit. Whoa. What happened? Is your foot okay?
No, it's not. I need an ice pack.
You want an ice pack for your toe? Let's see the toe.
No, it's the ankle.
Oh, your ankle, huh?
Your ankle. It's both of the ankles because when I was like coming out, I hurt this ankle. Hey, when I was coming out, this one, I hurt this one.
I see.
And I bumped this one on here. And I went froggy.
Alright, I'll get you some ice.
Papa,
Who wants to push the
Papa,
stop button? It's the
Papa.
square button right there. No. The square one.
This one?
Square right there.